How's everyone? Welcome to the Bossibility YouTube channel. Want to use the most adaptable and ROI positive strategy to quicken website monetization? Implement CPA marketing in your business endeavors. Unlike other marketing tactics that require upfront payments to advertise your brand, even when you are unsure about sales, this marketing tactic only requires payment after the sale at your chosen rate. Today, I will talk about CPA marketing. Improve your knowledge of CPA marketing's definition and operation. If you're new and watching this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get more new videos. What is CPA marketing? Cost per action marketing, also known as CPA marketing, is a kind of affiliate marketing that involves collaboration between an advertiser and an affiliate. Affiliates provide marketing services on behalf of advertisers. Affiliates receive commissions when users or customers respond to marketing by taking action. The actions consist following: video watching, filling out a form, signing up for a trial, requesting a price. How does CPA marketing work? You can learn more about CPA marketing's operation by reading the following breakdown. Affiliate or publisher, a blogger, brand, or company that advertises a product or services efforts to increase website traffic and achieve a particular conversion. Business or advertiser, a company that partners with an affiliate to increase website traffic to increase sales, increase conversions, or produce leads. What are CPA networks? A CPA network is a platform that links commercial affiliates who want to market their goods. Therefore, it involves an advertiser who wants to promote his products and aims to earn money, and then selects a CPA network, each of which offers unique features and affordable pay rates. Some platforms support knowledgeable affiliate managers. Affiliates and advertisers must pick a trustworthy network that suits their business requirements. Here are a few of the best CPA networks: Max Bounty, Crack Revenue, ClickDealer, CPA Lead, Admitted, Peerfly. CPA marketing tips. CPA marketing requires many strategies to establish a successful partnership between an advertiser and an affiliate. Affiliates can maximize their profits by using CPA marketing advice listed below. Find offers by conducting extensive research. Find the best CPA marketing opportunities by conducting research and identifying websites. These websites function as CPA search engines that present affiliates with offers from reliable CPA networks. Incorporate CPA into your website. You can boost your website to include the CPA advertiser's brand, such as including links that point users to the advertiser's website. Use traffic management strategies. Employ strategies that will attract more visitors to both your website and the website of your partner advertiser. To increase traffic rates, consider the following approaches. SEO increases traffic by incorporating target keywords and boosting your visibility in search results. Pay-per-click advertising is a quick method of luring visitors to your website. Using social media accounts to advertise captivating advertisements. CPA marketing is a low-cost, high ROI form of affiliate marketing that enables companies to connect with niche audiences by working with publishers and influencers to generate online revenue. So, if you have any questions about CPA marketing, leave them in the comment section. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to Bossibility YouTube channel. Bye.